Advantages of railway engineering with respect to pavement way. So advantage of this railway is proper transportation without any jam line. So there are in this railway there are no jam for traffic, and the line is fixed for transportation. Sometimes local trains have to some wait, but if they are goes in your in right time, then they have don't have to wait very long time. And the speedy transportation, it is a speedy transportation. The speed of this railway is very is more than pavement way or our vehicles. Time is fixed for this transportation. The time of rail is fixed. We have to attend this time, and so we can regulate our time, or we can regulate our time also, or in we can attend our program in right time for this fixed time of railways or of trains. These rails can carry heavy load. Many goods goods can carry by this railway path. Huge quantity of people can carry, which is not possible in bus or our car. Fog, smoke, this cannot affect in this railway in this railway. For this train can easily moves, which is not possible for our buses, lorries, etc. And the disadvantage is most disadvantage is it is not economical. So in this in fast it has to it has to give more investment for preparing this system. So no manage for personal, no, there are no manage for personal. If we miss our train, then we don't take it take it in our time. Huge quantity of fund expenditure. So what I have said in the first, uh, its initial cost is very high, and no available, no not available in more quantity. They are not available in more quantities. They are in fixed times in day, or if suppose there are three trains for the for some way to for go to somewhere, and for long journey they are very few. There are some time wastage for opening and closing doors. For metro rails, they are opening and closing doors automatically, but they have to give some fixed time. So if there are no passenger, but the time we have to expend, so there are some time losses.